Hi everyone, this is Ashwin. In this video, we're going to solve the problem, the love letter mystery. James found a love letter that his friend Harry has written to his girlfriend. James is a prankster, so he decides to meddle with the letter. He changes all the words in the letter into palindrome. To do this, he follows two rules. He can only reduce the value of a letter by 1, that is, he can change D to C, but he cannot change C to D or D to B. Like it should be in a decremental order, like D to C or C to B, like that it should go on. The letter A may not be reduced any further. Each reduction in the value of any letter is counted as a single operation. Find the minimum number of operations required to convert a given string into a palindrome. So the final result should be a palindrome. So palindrome means if you reverse the string, the original string and the reverse string will be the same. So let's see an example here. Given a string S, C, D, E, the following two operations are performed. Here E changed to D and D changed to C. Finally, CDC is a palindrome. Again, in this problem, we don't need to generate palindromes or we need to change the letters in order to check whether it is a palindrome or not. It will take a huge amount of time and it may exceed the time limit. So to find the minimum number of operations, we have a property that the first letter and the last letter should be the same, and the second letter from the last should be the same. Like this, the property goes on. So we can find the difference between these two letters, that is the difference between C and E is 2. Like that, we do this for all the characters. Finally, we will return the total difference from those characters. That's the overall logic of the problem. Let's see that in detail while coding. Now let's see the constraints. Here the query can go up to 10 and the length of the string can go up to 10 to the power of 4. So if you perform all those operations like changing each letter and comparing whether it is palindrome or not, it will definitely exceed some time limit. So we will avoid those operations. Okay, let's see a sample input here. So we have 4 queries, and in the first case, A will be the palindrome. C can be reduced to A and the total difference is 2. And the second case is already a palindrome. In the third case, the difference is 4. And in the fourth case, the difference is 2. Here also we need to reduce C to A. Okay, that's the whole logic of the program. Now let's solve the problem. Initialize count equals 0 to find the difference and add it to the count. Now we need to iterate the characters up to half of the string. That will be for I in range of length of S divided by 2. So it will go up to half of the string. If the string length is odd, it doesn't consider the middle character because we don't need to consider the middle character in the palindrome. So the logic will be count plus equals absolute of. Now I am going to find the ASCII value of the character ORD of S of I minus ORD of S of. So here we need to consider the last character, and for each iteration it should go backwards. So we can use n minus 1 to represent the last character, and for decrementing we will use minus I. You can also remove this n like minus 1 and minus I, it will be enough, because in Python the list support negative indexing, so it will access the last character by using minus 1 itself. But we will use n minus 1, anyways both are same. Okay, after finding the difference, we are absoluting the value. So if it's a negative value means we will change it to absolute value, that is the positive value, and add it to the count. So it will do this for all the characters in the string. So the iteration goes up to half of the length, and for each iteration it will compare the first character and the last character. Similarly, it will do this for all the characters. Okay, finally we will return count. Yeah, here n is not defined, so we will initialize n with the length of the string. Now let's run the code. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. That's it guys, we solved the problem. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for new problems. See you guys in the next video.